Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nexchain token. Now their pre-sale just started recently. This is a brand new token, brand new initial coin offering on their own webpage. We're going to go over the information on the Nexchain token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Nexchain token. So you can find their Telegram at Nexchain_AI. This is the community chat Telegram. They have 6,394 Telegram members. 138 of them are online. It says Nexchain, the first artificial intelligence blockchain, 400,000 transactions per second, 0.001 USD gas, smart contracts 2.0, cross-chain integration, and pre-sale is live on their webpage, nexchain.ai. So if you go over there, you're going to find the pre-sale. There's a pre-sale announcement there in their pinned tweet on their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen. They just surpassed 100,000 Twitter followers. Has a link to their Telegram and their webpage on the Twitter. The Twitter is at Nexchain_AI. Gold verified checkmark, 73 tweets so far. It says they're hiring if you want to apply for a job. But if you go over to their webpage, you can also find a full white paper, blog articles, more socials. There's a button right in the top right-hand corner of the page on Nexchain.ai. It says join pre-sale. So that's what you would click on. It will take you over to a dashboard, and the URL there is dashboard.nexchain.ai, and that is where you can get involved with the pre-sale here. So let's punch that in there. There's a dashboard. It says deposit, claim, leaderboard, profile, referral. You can connect your wallet. So it says you could buy the token with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Shiba Inu, Tron, Ripple, Polygon, Sonic, Cardano, Ton, all sorts of, USDC, USDT, etc. So let's say you're going to use Ethereum. You can connect your wallet to the page, dashboard.nexchain.ai. You could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH. Now you can fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH. You would go into their webpage, nexchain.ai, click join presale, then you would connect your wallet, then you would punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Nexchain tokens you get for that amount, click purchase, and then at the end of the presale, you would claim your tokens. And I'm sure there is a how to buy section somewhere. There's a white paper, document section, tokenomics section, all sorts of links on their webpage. If you want to find the docs, just go right to nexchain.gitbook.io. Nexchain is a blockchain protocol that integrates artificial intelligence to enhance scalability, security, and interoperability. It employs a hybrid consensus mechanism that combines proof of stake with AI-driven optimizations, allowing for adaptive transaction validation and network management. The system supports high transaction throughput through sharding and direct acyclic graphs, DAGs, reducing network congestion and improving efficiency. The platform incorporates AI-enhanced smart contracts capable of self-optimization and decision-making based on predefined parameters. Cross-chain interoperability is facilitated through bridging protocols that enable assets transfers and communication between different blockchain networks. AI is further used to optimize governance mechanisms, detect fraudulent activity, and predict network congestion. Nexchain follows an inflationary token model with an annual burning mechanism to regulate the supply. The token is used for transaction fees, staking rewards, and governance participation. The presale phase aims to raise $90.6 million, representing 32% of the total token supply. Security features include post-quantum cryptography, AI-driven anomaly detection, and self-healing mechanisms that isolate manufacturing nodes. The protocol is designed to support applications in finance, supply chain management, healthcare, IoT, and decentralized AI services. Now, the development roadmap includes implementation, beginning with the presale and initial launch, followed by deployment of the developer tools, scalability enhancements, full ecosystem expansion. Nexchain provides an infrastructure for blockchain applications requiring high efficiency automation and adaptability to evolving computational demands. Now, the tokenomics here says Nexchain's tokenomics model is structured to support network security, incentivize participation, and sustain long-term value through the controlled assurance and strategic allocation. The total initial supply of the Nexchain tokens is 2,150,000,000 tokens distributed across various sectors, which include, scroll down here, 5% of the tokens will go to the seed sale, 7% goes to rewards, 20% of the tokens are allocated to the public, 7% pre-sale, 10% team, 15% ecosystem, 8% liquidity, 5% marketing, 17% treasury, and 6% of the tokens go to burning. Now, there's governance with the token, and they're going to add other utilities as well, I'm sure, in the future there. And they also have a full roadmap, and you can check it all out. Nexchain.gitbook.io. You can find the pre-sale at dashboard.nexchain.ai. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.